If you've had some unsuccessful DIY attempts, you know how difficult it can be to fix your mistakes. In today's Ask Angie segment, we have some tips on how to fix bad DIY projects.
Sometimes you have to learn firsthand that some home projects are best when left to professionals. Rachel Zepernick, an interior home expert at Angi, is here to walk us through how to spot and fix bad DIY projects.
Unsuccessful plumbing repairs are one of the most common DIY mistakes. Even minor repairs like pipe leaks can lead to mold and rot when done incorrectly, and that can create much more expensive repairs down the line. If you suspect a leak in your sink, make sure to check that your drainage joints are watertight. You can place a paper towel below the sink, wait an hour, and you'll be able to see if there's a leak. If there is a leak, call a pro immediately to make sure that the plumbing repair is done correctly and quickly.
We don't recommend fixing bad DIY plumbing jobs yourself, but there are some things you can do to prevent future problems. Never put oil down your sink, and only put food down sinks that have garbage disposals. Using your sink properly will ensure that it stays leak-free for as long as possible.
Bathroom tile needs to be watertight, which requires meticulous attention to detail and can make DIY installation extra tricky. If the tile around your tub or shower isn't installed properly, it can cause water damage to other structures in the bathroom. Unfortunately, the only way to fix incorrectly placed tile is to rip it up and start from scratch.
When it comes to water damage, it's always better to be safe than sorry. If you think your bathroom tiles were installed incorrectly, call a pro to come take a look. A good local pro can diagnose the problem and come up with a solution that works for your home.
Electrical wiring gone wrong is one of the worst DIY mistakes you can make. It's a dangerous project that should always be left to the professionals. If you try to install or fix electrical wiring in your home, you risk damaging the home and/or hurting yourself. If you suspect there are problems in the home related to the electrical system, call a pro immediately to make sure the job gets done right.
Do you have questions about your home projects? We'll tweet them using the hashtag AskingAngie, and you may get some tips in an upcoming segment.